Okay, let's start today's shear force and bending moment diagram. Simply, we'll explain shear force. Shear force is the force that will try to shear off the section, and it is found by algebraic sum of all the forces acting on that beam. Suppose imagine it is a beam and it is a reaction, and if I put a load here, then these two forces will try to shear off the section here. So this was the basic definition of shear force. Bending moment, similarly, bending moment is the moment that will try to bend the section, and it is also found by algebraic sum of all the moments acting on the beam. Suppose due to this load, this cantilever will try to bend downward, and the moment you can find by algebraic sum of all the moment acting on that beam using summation of moment equal to 0, and in shear force will be using summation of shear force equal to 0. Okay, sign convention for shear force, it will be, if we raise simply your left hand upward and right hand downward, then it will be positive shear force, and your left hand downward and right hand upward, then it will be negative shear force. And in case of bending moment, sagging bending moment is positive and hogging bending moment is negative. What is sagging? Suppose there is a beam, it is supported on two sides, so due to this reaction this beam will try to bend upward, so upward bending is called sagging and downward bending is called hogging. Now let's see the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram of cantilever subjected to concentrated load. Suppose a concentrated load is acting in the cantilever. Now we have to find shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Let's first find shear force. What will be shear force here? Here shear force will be, if I am denoting shear force by F, shear force will be W. Why W? Because W is acting here. Now sign convention, if it is section, let me focus more properly. If it is a section, so section leftward, it is downward. You see, leftward downward means what? It will be negative, so it will be minus, and the variation will be constant because there is no variable. So this is the shear force, and so what will be the diagram? So constant, it will go downward, minus W. Suppose minus W value is up to that much, and if we, it will go towards all length of the beam, or all length of the cantilever. So this is negative shear force. This is the shear force diagram. Now bending moment diagram. For bending moment diagram, M equals to, this will be load into the x distance up to the section where I have make a cut. So that will be W into x. Similarly, sign will be, due to this load, this cantilever will be try to bend downward. That means hogging bending will be there, and we know by for hogging bending the sign will be negative, and the variation of this is linear variation. You all know that linear variation means what? Y equal to mx plus c. So it is what? It is a linear variation. This kind of equation it is. So bending moment is linear variation. Now we have to put the boundary condition at x equal to 0 and at x equal to L. What will be at x equal to 0? If we put the value of x 0, so moment will be 0 here, and if we put the value of L at x equal to L, the moment will be minus WL. So what will be diagram? This is the 0 and this is L. So at 0, bending moment is 0, and L it is minus WL. Suppose minus WL, we will use this one. So what will be the, how we will connect it? We will connect it by a straight line because it is a linear variation. So this is bending moment diagram. So this is a shear force diagram and bending moment diagram for a cantilever subjected to concentrated load W. Now let's study about cantilever subjected to UDL. Suppose there is a cantilever and UDL load is subjected to it, and its length is L. We make a section, cut from free end. Okay, remember one thing, whenever you will do the cantilever, always assume the section from the free end, not from the supported end. So similarly here shear force will be what? If I denote F as shear force F will be what? W into X. And what will be sign convention? Again you see this is the section I have make here, and section leftward it is what? Downward acting. This load is acting downward, so we note that leftward downward, that means what? Negative, so the shear force will be minus WX. Similarly, the variation will be what this is? This is linear variation. At x equal to 0, what will be the shear force? At x equal to L, what will be the shear force? At x equal to 0, shear force will be 0, and at x equal to L, shear force will be minus W into L. Now, we can draw the shear force diagram easily by this value. At 0, there is 0, and at L length, it will be minus WL. So, we'll connect it by a straight line because it is a linear variation. The bending moment diagram, M equals to what? W into x into the center x by 2. For parabolic variation, we will take the center x by 2. And sine convention will be what? This load will try to bend the cantilever downward, so that will be hogging bending, and for this hogging bending it will be minus, and the variation, it is parabolic variation. Parabolic variation, now you will say why it is parabolic variation. What is the equation of parabola? Y equal to ax square. So compare with this. This is the parabolic equation, so the variation will be parabolic variation, and the value is what? Minus wx square by 2. Now moment for x equal to 0 and moment for x equal to L. What will be the moment for x equal to 0? This will be 0. If you put the value of x, then you will get the moment at 0, and if you put the value of x equal to L, you will get the moment minus WL square by 2. Suppose this is the 0 end. Suppose no, it is actually the 0 end and it is the L. So if we go downward, then it will be what? The value will be WL square by 2. We will not connect this 0 end to the L end with the straight line. We will connect it little parabolic wise by making a curve, because you know parabola, it is a little curve like this. So this is the bending moment diagram, and this is the shear force diagram. This is the shear force diagram for cantilever subjected to UDL, and bending moment diagram for cantilever subjected to UDL. Now next we will study about the simply supported beam subjected to UDL and subjected to concentrated load. Thank you.